Hi there, I'm Jocelyn. I am the product manager for the pipeline security team here at GitLab. For those of you who are not familiar with our categories, we have secrets management, which includes the integration of secrets, secret managers, as well as variables and CI job token. We also are the owners of build artifacts. Today, I'm here to kick off our 16.0 milestone to give a preview of what we have coming. So our themes for 16.0, our first is breaking changes. And then the continuation of build artifacts, so adding additional functionality with bulk deletion, continuing work to unlock orphaned artifacts. We'll also be working on CI job token logging enhancements. So I will jump right into our breaking change. Up until this coming milestone, we have enabled 3 different ways to use the JSON web token for authentication. Through the last several milestones, we have continued to increase layers of protection and mature our OIDC token, which has really led to this new production-ready OIDC token, which is really a secured version of the CI job JWT version 2 token. And that's going to be our new default standard that we will be using to authenticate with a variety of different products, such as vaults, AWS, and so on and so forth. So as a result of this change, or this direction, we will be removing the less secure authentication methods from service. You will also notice this change on the UI as well, where previously we allowed users to select the limit JWT access toggle. This will now be the default. If you haven't had a chance to prepare for this breaking change, I recommend checking out the blog post on gitlab.com for instructions on how to prepare for the change to ensure a smooth transition of your workflows. The next item is build artifacts, which continues to be at the top of our minds as we work through this process of unlocking old artifacts from previously failed or deleted jobs. This has not been a trivial task for those of you who have been following our progress, and our backend team continues to persevere and work through this big, hairy problem. Our last backend item that I wanted to highlight is audit logging for CI job token for secure CI job token workflows. This will really enable our users to be able to track when there have been changes to CI job token in the audit logs. On the front end, we are continuing to enhance artifact management through our artifacts page, including bulk deletion. And then we are focusing on usability for variables. So we'll be adding loading indicators, so y'all know exactly what the status is of the query. We'll be enhancing our displays to show the inherited group variables, and we'll also be focused on improved messaging. Our designer, Vithika, will be focused on improvements to variables at the UX, or the variables experience for users at the job level, as well as UI improvements. Continuing on our theme of protecting sensitive information, Vithika will also be looking at the experience to prevent sensitive data from being downloaded by those who don't necessarily have the need to know. So that wraps up pipeline securities 16.0 milestone plans. This is definitely a very packed milestone. And so we're excited and energized and ready to get started and deliver some of these new capabilities. So we're excited. We hope you are too. Thanks for listening.